campaign just started. The nominations, we don't know who are going to fight, who are not going to fight. That also we don't know all. So another month. So it's very difficult to assess as on today, to analyze as on today, who is strong in rural or who is strong in the urban. Normally elections, people will not decide early. Normally people decide at least 2 weeks before the election. So it's difficult for me to say who is strong here. Some pockets maybe BPP definitely, some pockets maybe the Congress, some pockets maybe the NPP, they are in power. Some pockets maybe the BJP, they also are in power. So I think it's too early to assess as of today. But I've been from different parts of Meghalaya, right from Garo Hills and from Khas Hills. One thing I've seen is that this time the people looks towards a Congress. So many of our leaders might have been viewed or taken away at this juncture, but the workers still with us. So definitely I think Congress, we have hopes this time, because people think that to Delhi, the only party who can fight against the communal forces, the only party who respects the minority, the only party who always think for the indigenous people or the tribal people is the Congress. So the voters of Shillong, the voters of Tura are well aware of all the decisions taken by the BJP, well aware of the actions taken by the state government, and definitely this time people will look toward the Congress. But we have to work hard, we don't take it lightly, and we have to encourage our people on the ground to go for campaign and request everybody to join and work for the Congress.